Padre Kiko po, Francisco Nicolas P. Magnaye Jr. CM. First year high school, 1980, ordained 1994. Mga kabatch ko po, sila Father Budoy Borja, ordained 2 years later, Father Roy Iranta, na nag-asawa na, Butch Cabildo, nasa Antipolo, Archie Baloso, Norman Rasal, JB Del Mundo, Arnold Del Llosa, etc. etc. Currently po, nandito ako sa Vincentian Marian Youth, 4th floor ng Marian Center Building, Secretariat ng BMY, also known as Children of Mary. We want to promote the devotion to Our Lady of the Miraculous Medal. That's where the COM originated, from that desire in 1830 of the Blessed Virgin to gather people, form people, organize the youth so that they become Marian followers that can help spread and evangelize the youth of today. Ito off the record kasi recorded tayo. Si Archie, after lights off, 9 o'clock ng gabi, kakain kami Sunday kasi dinalan siya ng pagkain. Doon kami sa veranda, balcony, above the refectory, magkikita. Kaso nilak na ni Father Kir yung veranda. Hindi kami nakakain. Ewan ko paano na nakapasok ng dormitory si Archie. Sabi niya hindi pa daw nahuhuli yung pinapanganak yung makakahuli sa kanya. Pero natsugi din. Kapatiran, samahan ng mga pinalad na nakapag-asawa. Opo, kapatiran ng mga hinubog sa diwa ni St. Vincent, and hopefully sa kanya-kanyang landas ng buhay, magkasama-sama pa rin at makatulong maisulong yung mga yung misyon ni San Vicente de Paul sa mundo, wherever they are. Halina po, sali na, lalo na po yung nagpakayaman na, nakapag-aaral na ng mga anak, yung mga nasa abroad, Edmonton, Canada. Pay forward, help the cause of how it is to be a Vincentian in the world, salt of the earth, ibang timpla, by showing the world what Vincentians and alumni of the Vincentians can contribute to the advancement of the world, especially po yung mga hikahos, not without the poor. I think what binds us together is a common desire to help the poor help themselves.